Hey, Charlie! 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 Long time no see, my man. How you doing? Let me clean the nasty. Ugh. Get Mimi, get Jay, get the biscuit, get the other biscuit, if they're here. I hope they are. I mean, I hope they've been fixed, but, you know, I hope they're here and safe and... Oh, that's not even wiping off. Ow! Ugh. So, Charlie, big day today, but not here. For you, we're just saying hello, we're checking in. But at the other, at Aldi's colony, I'm dripping nasty water all over my pants. Good thing these are my work pants. But at Aldi's colony, it's Trapping Wednesday. So we can prepare for TNR Thursday at Fix Nation tomorrow morning. Gino the cat is being trapped. Now, to be honest with you, Charlie, I would have trapped Jay the cat a few weeks ago, but you were acting kind of mean to Jay, and he got scared. Also, I did a very poor job of preparing. Last time I ended in the water. Rough, but he's actually very, like, healthy and in good shape. Hey! Tripped over my own water bottle. Ha ha! Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. I also think it's rather ironic, just completely tangentially to everything, that I said, oh no, I got nastiness on my work pants, and then I was like, oh, but fortunately it's my work pants. I love being blue collar sometimes, because if I were white collar, I'd be like, oh man, my work pants. These are insert fancy fabric and manufacturer here, but no, these are trashy, very old Levi Strauss jeans. This is my favorite part of the Charlie. Hey, dude. You know what makes I love it when you come over to my side of the fence? I just want to really get that eye going, which is, you're not going to love me today, but that's okay. It's okay. I got it, yeah. Good boy, Charlie. Who's a good boy? right, Charlie, I'll see you later, man. Try and say something to the other cats, okay? Happy Wednesday, Maine Colony. Big V, Baby Blue, Dick Grayson, Fats, P. Who else is here? I saw Tatiana underneath the truck as usual. There she is. Resplendent. All right. Good boy, Baby Blue. Big V. Oh no, Baby Blue. Hey, minis. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Daylight's burning. Kitties have opinions, and the opinion is meow. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Hey, Sasha Gray. Fats. Big fats. Baby Blue. Big baby. Hey, Grayson, you're getting a little bit less jumpy. Still jumpy, but you know. Hey. Who's up to no good? Who's up to no good? All right, guys, we're going fast. We're going fast because we're trapping today. And in other news, I know people have been saying, hey, you should make playlists. And I'm going to start that more frequently going forward. But so from now on, so there already is a playlist on my channel with all the videos I did in the year 2023. And to be honest with you, I'm not going back to the year 2023 and reorganizing stuff much because I'm lazy. But y'all are right. There's a lot to be gained from me making playlists. Dick Grayson, can you like maybe not move the tripod that I so carefully set up? So, but yeah, going forward, and I will do this for 2024. I'll do a year end, like all the videos I made in 2024 playlist. That'll be massive. But I'll go back and do like a playlist for January, a playlist for February, a playlist for blah, 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 blah. And I'll also do like some topical ones. And in that regard, I will go back to the previous year somewhat. Yep. Because, you know, well, number one, topical was requested, but like, you know, I can get some mileage out of that. I can do like TNR specific videos, like videos where I specifically bring out the trap and be like, yo, our goal today is TNR. Or I can do videos, like, you know, these are videos where I visit Charlie's colony. You know, everyone loves Charlie. Not Charlie the human, Charlie the cat, just to clarify. Hey, my niece, Sasha, Marble Cat, y'all want to come out and say hello? All right, one sec, let me get the collection bin. Winnie is the most personable cat that does not allow pets. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. All right, guys, let's go. Okay. I'm on rodeo for the day. If you owe me... Wait, is this a Kanye song? Kanye's been canceled for anti-Semitism. Hey, Minis. Marble cat. Winnie. What is that? Is it an ejector pin? It's an ejector pin of some sort, probably. Sorry, guys. It landed. Jesus. All right. Slash. Racing. Hey, Lil V. Lil V, get over here, bud. Get over here, baby girl. Lil V really likes the containers for some reason. Not good, bad Lil V. Sasha, come on. And Lady Jane Grey. I know he's still jumpy, but you know, every little bit at a time. Marble cat, go eat! Go eat, marble cat! It's okay, marble cat. I don't bite. My niece, excuse me, my niece, I need to grab the leftover containers. Thank you. Hey, Liz. What's up, Liz? All right, you know what? I think. Hey, who's watching? Tell me which gray cat is which. I challenge you. Hey Liz, bye Liz. All right guys, I'm leaving. I'll come pick up the containers later. I'm gonna go try and trap young Gino. And which gray cat is which? It's actually kind of easy right now. Dick Grayson, Lady Jane Grey, Sasha Grey. You can tell Lady Jane Grey, she's the lightest and she's got the narrow face. I can tell instantly. It's between Sasha and Dick Grayson and it's very hard to tell sometimes. But like when they're next to each other, okay, Dick Grayson's got the wider, more dude face. But you know, it's tight, it's tight. All right, let's go trap some cats. Beep, 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 blue. Okay, y'all, time to trap Gino and we're gonna go with the best version of trap cam we can. So obviously my phone is not in the trap because if I trap Gino with the phone in the trap, that could be very hazardous for me trying to get my phone back. So if you see any metal grates, I'm sorry, but it's for my own safety. All right. Don't quote me on this, but we are good to go. Easy. See what happens when you're prepared? I know, Gino, you're very upset at me. I'm sorry. Don't worry. I won't leave for long. See ya. All right. Hey. Meow. Very angry, ornery kitty. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Hey, Gino. Don't worry. All right, Gino's going home tomorrow morning. It's Fix Nation time.